Hello guys, welcome to my channel GA Vision. In this video, we are going to turn this boring table of data into this interactive dashboard where you can easily see what's going on with the data. Sounds like magic, right? And to do, we are going to use just one tool, and that's ChatGPT. So you can have your data in any format like Excel file, as a Google Sheet, or CSV file. We are having this file and get into visual dashboard which show like clear insights that you are waiting for. I am Abrar. So here the data, that what is sales data, which we are going to use an example like we are directly adding this large amount of data into ChatGPT and ask it to create a dashboard. It won't be able to give us accurate results as it can't process large amounts of data. So we are going to use a different approach. So instead of uploading all the data to the ChatGPT, we are only going to ask you to create HTML web page that will process our data directly to the web browser. Then it will show you the results just like this. Keeps our data private, which means we don't have to give our whole data to ChatGPT and let our large data set that would exceed charge limits. So to create the HTML web page, we are going to upload a small sample of our data to ChatGPT and then ask to come up with a plan how to create a dashboard. So we are going to do this with just three parts. The first part is to prepare the sample data. To do, we are going to do this in two steps. First step is to download your data in a CSV file. So if you have Excel or Google Sheet, you can easily save the file as a CSV. Just go to the file and click report and then select CSV, and your CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Now let's go to step 2, which is to convert CSV file to JSON file. Before that, we ask the ChatGPT to create the dashboard to improve the sample of our data. While our data is currently in CSV format, we will convert into this JSON format. For creating like a web-based dashboards, to convert the file into a JSON format, just go to the Google now, like click a page here to check the JSON file, and then click choose file, add your CSV file, and then you can see the file has now been converted to JSON. Now click download and the JSON file will be downloaded to our computer. Okay, so now we have successfully converted from CSV to JSON. And then next, let's go part 2, which is to generate ideas. Create our dashboard. In this part, we will get ChatGPT to suggest different ways to we can visual our data in dashboards like charts, graphs, and other visual elements that help us understand our data better. So to get ideas from ChatGPT, first we need to give our sample data to ChatGPT and then just copy the data from the JSON, which contains the column names and the values. Now make sure to copy on first few rows of data and paste it to ChatGPT. Once you have pasted the sample data here, next let's ask for ideas of our dashboard. To do that, just copy the first prompt given in our description below and paste there. So according to key data metrics, to create the dashboard and explain each one in the detail, as you can see that ChatGPT has given us 5 visualization based on our suggestions. So we can use along the detailed explanation for each one of them. And if you want to change your any visualization, and then ask ChatGPT to change the visual metrics and ask it to convert into a price chart. And as you can see, visual type has been changed from a heat map to a pie chart. Now we can start creating the dashboard web page. To create the dashboard, we are going to do 3 simple steps. First step, to ask ChatGPT to generate the HTML code for our dashboard, and then to do, just copy the second prompt from the description and paste it to ChatGPT, and you can see that it has been generated to HTML code. For the dashboard also, it has been given us detailed description on how to use instead of manual adding the code of HTML. So ask ChatGPT to create the downloadable HTML file, which we can just open, upload the JSON file, and let's go to download the HTML. So in third front to the description and add to ChatGPT, you can see like has a downloadable link for the HTML file. So just click on it and it will be download. To see like once you have downloaded the HTML file, let's go to final step, which is used to create the dashboard by uploading the JSON file. And to create the dashboard, let's open the HTML file. As you can see, we have got the HTML web page which has the upload file option as mentioned in the prompt. Let's click choose file and upload the JSON file that we downloaded earlier. So you can see our sales dashboard has been created within the data that we provided within the 5 different visuals. Now if you want to change the design of our dashboard, simply tell ChatGPT what you have in mind and ask it to create a downloadable file with a new design. So just copy the 4th prompt in the description below and paste it into ChatGPT. I've asked it to change the dashboard style and adjust the width of the charts to 40% and give it as a HTML file. So you can see now downloading. Upload the JSON file, you can see then we have a new style for our sales dashboard. Okay guys, before we move on, I want quickly show you a tool that will be super useful, which is called website on Google. So check this out. I'll just go to enter the key I want to rank for a Google and then click create outline and then create a blog outline and then target this keyword. So you can see that like it's a SEO friendly blog with stunning images. Now if I click here, you can publish the blog and any website. So in the Google, so if you are looking to rank your website on Google, then you can grab this tool which is called grave.com. It's just $97 per year. It's okay, right? So the dashboard is based on that we provided. Verify. Let's compare the data in the dashboard with our original Excel data. Just look at the chart here. It says that overall sales in the technology category is $836,000. Let's confirm with the Excel sheet and then click on the category column. Go to the data tab and click filter next. So you can drop down the selected everything and then click OK. So that's how we filter this and check the sales column and then total sales value is now 836,000, which matches the chart. So the data in our Excel file is guys like how you can create a interactive sales dashboard using ChatGPT. So but before we wrap up, want to remind you about Gravity Write AI tool that helps you write 3000 plus words as well as research blogs. It is $97 per year. For more details, if you like this video, give thumbs up and make sure please like my video and subscribe my channel. And please go to Instagram and follow. Don't forget to follow my Instagram channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.